Here's a side hustle you're going to want to do. It's easy to set up, and if you like taking pictures or have a bunch of pictures in your camera roll, this is super simple. You're going to go over here to redbubble.com, sign up to create an account because we're going to sell some art. Once you get your account set up, you can come right over here to sell your art. You're going to click on add new work so that you can create products, set up your shop, and get paid. So I'm already thinking ahead for the holidays. I have some really cute pictures of my cat and bearded dragon dressed up in costumes. So I start to build a product around that. And then they show you all the different products you could potentially put your images on. And then they're going to print it and ship it on your behalf. So you can see up here, some of it says enabled, some of it says disabled. So you just select what you want on what. If the image isn't to your liking, you can come over here and use the slider to change the size and rescale it and put it in the right position wherever you think you want it on that. Once you got it set, hit apply changes. There's tons of kick-ass items. It could be tablet cases, journals, coasters, water bottles, pins. And then when you're done, click Save Your Work, and your item is ready to be purchased. So this is great for all tons of stuff. You might have amazing pictures. You could even use a background remover like that. I had mine on white. And then in the end, you get something awesome like this that people will buy and use for gifts or personal use. Great about this site is that it's a print-on-demand marketplace. Instead of having to find a print-on-demand supplier and integrate that with a different website like Shopify or Etsy, this makes it a little bit easier. However, big picture, if you are going to do something print-on-demand, you are going to want to be on multiple marketplaces so that you have more lines in the water. If you like what you're hearing, like, comment, follow, share.